Alright, so it's been a while since I've last done this, but this weekend I'm headed to Bridgeport, Texas with my friend Alex and his dad. Got the trailer loaded up. Just finishing up packing. It should be a good trip. All loaded up. Got the trap's extra parts, some tools. Got Alex's bike, Ben's bike. A good old trusty steed. Alright, so we're 5 hours into the drive. Me and Alex sitting here in the back seat. Got Ben driving, watching a movie. Just made it into New Mexico. Got about 2 hours left until our stop. See you then. Alright, we made it to Albuquerque. Walking into the good old Hampton. We're here. Whoa. No way. I left my wallet on top of the truck. Oh man, it's still here. Let's go. Early morning. We just made it out of the hotel. Starting the drive early. Let's go. So we got about 8 hours of driving.
6 or 9.
6 or 9, according to the man. How are you feeling for this drive, buddy?
I'm gonna sleep.
All right. Just woke up from a nap. We made it.
Hey, how you doing?
Just 2 of you?
3.
3, okay. And who are you riding for?
All right, we just parked. We're about to head to registration. Go get all registered. And then, yeah, walk the track. How are you feeling, buddy?
I'm ready to race.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How are you feeling, Ben? Good?
Go, yeah.
I'm like Ricky Bobby when I'm on film. I don't know what to do with my hands.
Pretty good dirt. All right, so we just registered. Scoping out the start obstacle. It's pretty tall right now. I'm gonna have to head down those tires and out there. All right, so it's race day. I'm here ready to the race. Woke up around 5:45. Took a shower, did some stretches, ate some breakfast. Now we're unloading the trailer. Got a beautiful sunrise in the background.
Out there. I found some friends!
Hey.
Oh, Arizona up in Texas. They're not nervous at all about this start right here. No, they're making me nervous. Use your trial training. There you go. Shit. Oh, good catch. Good catch. Just fall in that line, dude. You're doing good. Good, cool. Now hold it. Wait for these bucks. Good. You got water? Drink. Drink. Breathe. 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 You're doing good, dude. You only got like a mile left of the hot lap and you're done. Drink water and breathe when you're resting. Good, Cole. Good.
You got this?